Hey, sports card collectors and investors. Hope everyone is having a great Thursday. I'm excited today because we're going to be opening a couple of boxes of 2016 Optic football. This is the first year of Optic football, just like basketball. And so this is actually a pretty deep draft class for the NFL. You had Carson Wentz, you had Dak Prescott, Jared Goff, and you've got Zeke rookies, you've got Tyreek Hill. So you've got a fair amount of good rookies. Michael Thomas, I can't forget my boy Michael Thomas for the Saints. And then I'm also looking for, those Hall of Fame veterans, Brady, Breeze, Roethlisberger, Russell Wilson. And so what I'm going to do as a giveaway today too, so I believe we're right at about 1,420 subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,500 subscribers by Sunday. So if you see this video, if you guys can go ahead and subscribe, share this. We've got over 115 videos on sports card investing on this channel, and it keeps growing day by day. So if you could hit that subscribe button, share it with all your other collector and investor friends, we would really very much appreciate it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick somebody, and outside of the veteran quarterbacks, I would like to, if I get any of the veteran quarterbacks, I'm going to keep those just because those are really what I'm trying to collect, honestly. And everything else I'm going to send away to somebody. So if we can go ahead and get that to that 1,500 subscribers by Sunday, that is the goal. So if you could help us out, we would very much appreciate it. So let's go ahead and jump into this break. Stay tuned. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here they are. It's the two boxes of 2016 Optic football. This is 6 packs per box, 4 cards in each pack. So a total of 24 cards in each box, so 48 cards total. We're looking for, so it says 3 rookies and 3 rated rookies per box on average. We're also looking for Donruss threads and rookie threads. I'm not sure. I'm assuming that there's a potential for autos in these boxes. Actually, a pretty good draft class in 2016 for football. I mean, the notable ones, of course, and the one that's kind of a hot one right now is Dak Prescott's rookie. It would be real nice to get, one of one auto Dak Prescott rookie. I wouldn't be too sad about it. I've got 1 touches here just in case we do hit something like that. Or we might even get something better, like a Drew Brees Optic Hollow. That was a joke. I know you guys are just. I'm a homer. I'm a diehard New Orleans Saints fan, so I know that that's not going to go over as well as a Dak rookie for you guys. But bear with me, okay? We've got Drew Brees. We've got other Hall of Fame QBs. I wouldn't mind getting a Tom Brady Optic Hollow, just a base card. That's a hollow. That card right now is going anywhere from $120 to $200, just raw. So some of the rookies, we've got Carson Wentz rookies, Dak Prescott, Zeke, Jared Goff, Derrick Henry, Michael Thomas rookies, Tyreek Hill. And then I'm also looking for guys like, Breeze, as I mentioned, Tom Brady, Ben Roethlisberger, Aaron Rodgers, and even some of these other QBs that could break out. We've talked about it. There's a lot of middle of the road QBs to where you just never know. So we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so I'll start with this box. See if I can get it open here carefully. All right. Okay. Here we go. Oh, is this something special? What is this? Probably not. Some sort of sticker. I will hold that in case one of my little ones wants it. Okay. All right, so we've got 6 packs here, 4 cards per pack. I'm going to try to do this strategically. All right. Hopefully I can open just like this. Maybe I can do it just like this and then turn them over one by one. Okay. Hopefully everybody can see. All right. I hope that doesn't count as a card, this Panini Instant. Okay. I hope that doesn't count. All right. First card. Wait. Okay. This isn't one of the cards, is it? Are these like Panini Gridiron? What is this? All right. Panini Instant stuff. Let's get to the actual cards. All right, here we go. Austin Hooper rated rookie. Okay, okay. William Jackson III. Oh, that's kind of a cool X Factor die cut AP card. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's right. There was 4 cards per pack, so those weren't actual cards. All right. Sorry, I panicked, guys. I don't open packs that much. And then a Kirk Cousins base card. Hey, you never know with Cousins. That could actually be a decent card. Cousins has been coming on. We'll see what happens. All right, so that's the first pack. We'll put that aside. Next pack. Oop. Giving me problems. All right. Almost there. Okay. All right, kid reporter thing. Okay. First card, Tyler Boyd, rookie card, rated rookie. Vernon Butler. Eddie Lacy. Oh, and one of the dudes I was looking for, Ben Roethlisberger. It looks like it's just a base, though. It's not a hollow, just a base, but that's all right. I'll take Roethlisberger. I'm collecting some Roethlisbergers. I think he's going to come back and make waves this year. All right, so that's the second pack. All right, third pack. Panini stuff. Oh, here's my guy. Paxton Lynch. Come on, Paxton Lynch. Talk about a gigantic letdown. Paxton Lynch, one of those first rounders that I don't even think he's in the league anymore. I think that Drew Lock has pretty much locked that up. Dad jokes. Hashtag dad joke there. I don't think Paxton Lynch is even in the league anymore, sadly. All right, next we've got Kelvin Taylor, running back. Sue Cravens. I remember this guy. I don't think he's in the league. Uh-oh. And then Ryan Tannehill. Okay. I believe that's just a base. That's not a hollow. Yeah. That's okay, though. Tannehill's, again, another guy that's on the rise. I will take it. All right, pack number 3. Hopefully we don't get another Paxton Lynch rookie. That wouldn't hurt my soul a little bit, Paxton Lynch. Okay. Kid reporter stuff. All right. Oh, come on, man. Nick Vanette, rated rookie for the Seahawks. This is a guy who was another letdown. I remember this guy. Bruce Arians took him in the first round. Robert, and I can't pronounce his last name, Nemechek. He's a pass rusher. I don't think he ever actually worked out. Oh, here's another guy that didn't work out. Christian Hackenberg. Unbelievable. And this is a pink hollow optic. Unreal. Come on. Where's the DAC? Jonathan Stewart. Oh, man. Okay. Well, that was a forgettable. That was like the pack of forgottens right there. All right. Next pack. Unreal. Christian Hackenberg and Paxton Lynch. Woof. All right. Put these aside. All right. Let's get something good here. Malcolm Mitchell. Rated rookie. Malik Collins. Oh, Mike Evans. Mike Evans is good. That's got some hollow to it. That's got some flair to it. Yeah. Okay. Not a rookie card, but still very cool. And Matt Forte. All right. All right, last pack of the box. Let's see what we've got here. This is it, guys. This is the Dak Prescott 1/1 auto patch, game used patch. This is it right here. Kenyon Drake rookie. Kendall Fuller. Eddie Lacy and Des Bryant. All right. Let's move on to the next box. Gosh, Christian Hackenberg. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wonder whatever happened to him. I mean, maybe he's still in the league. I just haven't heard anything. I heard he got a bunch of chances and it just did not pan out. All right. Let's go. Let's get some. I feel like with that box, this one is primed to be huge. This is going to be monstrous, you guys. This is going to be monstrous. Everyone gather around. All right. Move these over a little bit. Hopefully everybody can see. All right, we'll move these. All right, first card. Pharaoh Cooper, rated rookie. Emmanuel Ogba. Skylar Austin. I have never heard of this guy. Oh, because he's a fan. He's not actually even a player. I'm like, Skylar Aston does not sound familiar, and that's why. Dorial Green Beckham. All right. Okay. All right. Staying strong here. Staying strong. That was not a strong first pack. All right. Here it comes. Dak Auto. Here it comes. Oh, Leonte Carew. I can't say I know him. He was a rookie in 16. Cody Kierkegaard. Another Matt Forte. And an Aaron Donald. That's a pretty cool card. Although defensive players don't really get a whole lot of love. But that was a cool card. Oh, what's this? It actually has some. Oh, okay. The Matt Forte is like a hollow. All right. All right, guys. More Panini Gridiron stuff. The rated rookie is Keenan Reynolds. We've got Austin Johnson. James Bradbury, cornerback for Carolina. He actually is a pretty good corner, and that's a pink. I believe that's a pink. It's got blue with the blue on the top. Not exactly sure, but. And then an Odell Beckham Jr. to round it out for all you Odell fans out there. All right, we're down to 3 packs, so I'm guessing there's probably going to be a Wentz rookie in one, a Dak rookie in another, and a Zeke rookie in the third pack. Hopefully my expectations aren't too high. All right, rated rookie, Jeff Driscoll, come on! I can't pronounce his name, but that's the really good pass rusher for the Jags. Oh, a Jacoby Brissett, rated rookie, pink. That's actually a pretty nice card. And Brissett might have a future. We'll see what happens. And good old, reliable Jason Witten to round out that pack. I didn't hear Jason Witten. Is he playing again this year? Or is he going back to the booth? Or what is he doing? Actually, I don't know if he's going to be invited back to the booth after what happened a couple years ago. But we'll see what happens. All right, rated rookie. Hunter Henry, this is a good player. Good player. Von Bell with my Saints. He actually just left the Saints this past year because we got Malcolm Jenkins back from the Eagles, so let Von Bell leave. Another Des Bryant and a Jamal Charles. The Des Bryant's got some hollow to it. And Jamal Charles is out of the league, but he was a heck of a running back when he was playing. All right, last pack. This has got to be the one. This has got to be the one with all the magic in it. Oh, I'm a little sweaty opening this one. All right. I see some shine. Let's see. Demarcus Robinson, rookie. Trying to just do this one at a time because there's something cool in here. Cody Kessler patch. Oh, man. Really cool card, but jeez. Is Cody Kessler still in the league, guys? I don't think that he is. and then Steve Smith Sr. to round out the boxes. Man, wow, that was tough. That was tough. But hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. That was a tough couple of boxes. We got a couple of cool cards in there, but the big names didn't show up, unfortunately. So until next time, we will catch you later, guys. Thank you.